Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Ganitashi Maitri. Examine the following. Ashok is older than Suresh. Raju is older than Ashok. And Vivek is not older than Suresh. Vivek is not older than Suresh. Means either Vivek is as old as Suresh or Vivek is less than Suresh. Which of the following statements must be necessarily be true? As here Vivek is not older than Suresh is given, then we can easily say that Vivek can be of the same age as of Suresh, but uh, Vivek cannot have large age than Suresh. So here Vivek and Suresh can have same age. So only three necessarily can be true as per given condition. So option C is right answer. Next question is, in a square, 4 portions of 4 circles are drawn as shown below. What is the area of shaded portion? Here, area of square is nothing but side square. One side of the square is d plus d, that is 2d. So area of square will be 2d square, that is 4d square. Area of square is 4d square, and area of every circle will be pi r square. Here radius is given, radius is d for every circle, but only 1 by 4th portion of every circle is covered in this diagram. So total area of 1 by 4th portion of circle will be pi d square divided by 4. So every circle will have area. This circle will have area pi d square by 4. This circle will have area pi d square by 4. This have pi d square by 4, and this also have pi d square by 4. So total area of the circle will be pi d square by 4 into 4, that is pi d square. And if we have to find the area of shaded portion, then just subtract the area of 4 circles from area of square. So option will be 4d square minus pi d square. 4d square minus pi d square means option B is right answer. Next question is, in an objective test there are 60 questions. Each question carries 4 alternative answers, only one of which is correct. Suppose A and B are two candidates. Both of whom know correct answers to 30 questions. A answers only 30 questions while B answers all 60 questions. A answer only 30 questions, B answer all 60 questions. Choosing answers at random for those he doesn't know the answers of. If each question carries a mark 1 and no negative mark are awarded, the marks obtained by B are expected to be larger than those obtained by A by what margin? So here A is answering 30 questions confidently, each question having 1 mark, so A will get 30 marks. And even if B is answering 60 questions, as the answers given by B are correct for only 30 questions, B will get 30 marks only. And there are no negative marks, so B will get 30 marks. Even if he had answered for 60 questions, out of 60 only 30 questions are right, so B will get 30 marks, A will also get 30 marks. So marks obtained by B are expected to be larger than those obtained by A by 0 margin. So option A is right answer. A quantity is found to vary in the order 9, 6, 16, 25, 36, 49. What will be the next number in order? 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. Now if we check the difference between two numbers, then 9 plus 7 is 16, 16 plus 9 is 25, 25 plus 11 is 36, 36 plus 13 is 49. And again the difference between 7 and 9 is 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13. So 13 plus 2 will be 15, and upcoming number will be 49 plus 15, that is 5 plus 9, 64 will be the upcoming number. So option B is right answer. Next question is, in a class there are 18 boys who are over 160 centimeter tall. 18 boys over 160 centimeter tall. If these constitute 3/4 of the boys, means the boys who are over 160 centimeter tall constituting 3/4 of all the boys in the class. So if I let the number of boys in the class be, then 3/4 b is equal to 18. So the number of boys will be 24. Now again second information given is total number of boys. We just find out it as 24 is 2/3 of total number of students in class. Now if total students in class, if I will let it as T, where T is equal to B plus D, means B boys and G girls, then here total number of boys, that is 24, is 2/3 of total number of students, 2/3 of T. So it will be, total number of students will be 36. Then what is the number of girls in class? So here T is equal to 36 and B is equal to 24. So from this equation we will get number of girls in class will be 36 minus 24, that is 12. 36 minus 24 means there are 12 girls in class. Option C is right answer.